invited you into his home to show us the room he has all ready for her.
Well, Toy, it is Karina Garcia's room just as she left it when she left nearly 4 years ago, her mom defying U.S. law and taking her to Japan without the father's knowledge. The legal battle here at the courthouse has wound down now, and Dr. Garcia tells us he's holding his breath, waiting for his daughter's return. Dr. Moises Garcia walks this hallway every night, leading to the room of his now 9-year-old daughter, Karina. It's just as she left it almost 4 years ago. It's here he feels closest to her, sometimes just holding her things.
I come very often, and the most difficult part is when I see her clothes, which is in the shelves. And I can see her at the beginning when she was taking. I used to come more often.
A Milwaukee judge has ruled Dr. Garcia's Japanese ex-wife will remain jailed here until their daughters return to him from Japan, where she's been staying with grandparents. Dr. Garcia has been awarded full custody, but his legal battle with volumes of court documents and a cost of $350,000 has taught him not to get too optimistic. In fact, Karina's grandparents told the Fuji News Network in Japan today, quote, "We would like to respect the wishes of our granddaughter. Our granddaughter does not want to go to the U.S." Dr. Garcia says he's not surprised. He's only been able to spend about 2 hours with her in the past 3 years.
Karina has been totally brainwashed, almost brainwashed, because she hasn't been allowed any contact with me. And she's been told their side of the story, I would say. And she hasn't had the chance to hear the side of my story.
He's confident their relationship of old will be back in no time, once she's back home in Fox Point.
I have a team of psychologists and psychiatrists that will help. I have interpreters too. I do speak Japanese, and I'm ready for her. And I also cook Japanese food and prepare for her.
Just counting the days.
Mm-hmm. I'm counting the days and counting the moment. And I know it's going to be tough, but yeah, I'm ready. I've been ready for 4 years.
Garcia's ex-wife faced more than 12 years in prison if she didn't return their daughter, and she will not be released from jail until Karina returns here to the U.S. That deal was just formalized and finalized late this afternoon into a written agreement. And again, she will not be released until Karina is here in Milwaukee. Live at the courthouse, Nick Board, WISN 12.